Okay, in this video, we're going to put together the envelope that goes along with our cute little monster Valentines. So it's very simple to put together. Again, we really built this so that you could mass produce it. We did our envelope in white. What you want to do is begin by just folding everything at the score marks. Okay, and now while this piece is flat, we've included a little heart that we cut out with glitter paper, red glitter. I'm going to put my glue on the back of this. I'm going to dab that just a tad. Had a little bit too much glue on there. And just line the heart up with the bottom of the tip there of the flap. Okay, and just push that down. There you go. And to get this glued down, get a nice line of glue on both flaps here, or both tabs I should say, and let's spread that out nice and thin so that it doesn't warp our paper at all. Okay, just gonna get that right out to the edge too so it looks nice and finished, nice and thin. Okay, and then just fold this over. There we go, and just push down along the edge on the bottom and the right. And that is it. Your envelope is done. Again, if you're making these for class, you may not need to even make envelopes, but we wanted to include it just in case. And there's your little monster peeking out. You can put a little pop dot on here just to close it up, and you're good to go.